Hey guys, welcome back. This video is meant to be a shorter add-on to the main holster tutorial series, which I have linked below. I'd start there first. Here, I will only be explaining the extra steps you would need to take in order to make a tension screw style holster using one of the patterns I have available for Glock handguns. You are welcome to modify them to fit different brands too. You can find links to the patterns below. So as you can see here, I have the stitch line coming down the trigger guard area, curving around the trigger guard, coming down the muzzle slightly, but then curving away and back towards the edge of the holster. This leaves room for the tension screw area right here, which will be gripping the muzzle end of the weapon. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is work the rubber washer into place. And if you did a hot wax dip method like I did here, you're gonna notice the leather is actually pretty firm, so you can work it a little bit with your fingers to open it up and slide that washer in place. Go ahead and put a finishing washer on top. The screw goes right down and through finishing washer and through the rubber washer. See it poking out the other end. Now on the back side, you can use a finishing washer if your screw is long enough, but technically it's not entirely necessary, as you won't be seeing the side as much. So in the case where the screw is just long enough to fit through the hole, I just go ahead and use the Chicago style screw to finish it off. So holding that with one finger on the bottom, I can then screw this in. Now the trick here is to leave it kind of loose. You put your unloaded, cleared weapon that's completely safe into the holster, and you do a little test fit. Maybe that's a little bit too loose, so you give it a few turns. Try it again. That's pretty good. Okay, that's all for this add-on video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.